There's a guy named Hamza Ehsan. He is not a celebrity. He doesn't have a million social media followers. He's just a simple designer. But over 19 months working on the site, he sold 1500 website templates on a platform called Framer. And his total earnings were somewhere around $200,000 from the template he built once. No product manufacturing, no shipping, no customer support, just the digital assets which he built, and it kept selling while he was busy working on his other stuff. Now here is why I'm telling this story to you in 2026. The job market right now is most unstable it has been since 2020. According to the live TrueUp layoff tracker, 1,42,303 tech employees have been laid off in 2026 so far. That works out to be 1,009 people losing their job every single day. And companies that people thought were bulletproof like Amazon, Microsoft, Meta, Verizon, all of them did mass layoffs. A report from resume.org found out that 55% of hiring managers are expecting more layoffs in 2026, and 44% of them are citing AI as the primary driver. So if your income depends on one source, one company, one salary, one boss, you are just one bad quarter away from starting over. And this video is about changing that. So hi everyone, my name is Shivangi Tiwari. I started my career as a software engineer, transitioned into product management and moved to Dubai, and parallelly I started working on building my own agency, and its name is Brandania. And in this video I'm going to talk about 6 passive income ideas which I haven't talked before. These ideas are accelerated by AI, backed by real numbers, and genuinely accessible for beginners. So here is what we are going to cover in today's video, chapter by chapter. Chapter 1 is going to be what passive income actually costs you, the time, not just energy. Chapter 2 will be talking about Amazon KDP, which is self-publishing with AI. Then we'll be talking about building a monetized newsletter in chapter 3. Chapter 4 would be AI voice licensing. Chapter 5 is going to be niche website building. Chapter 6 is audiobook publishing with AI narration. Chapter 7, it's going to be selling AI prompts plus free resources for each idea. So without any further ado, let's start the video and jump to chapter number 1, that what passive income actually costs you. Before the ideas, one important mindset research: passive income doesn't mean free money. It just means deferred money. So basically you put in real effort, real work, real skill set on building something and working on something, and that effort repeatedly keeps paying you. The QuickBooks Entrepreneurship Study 2026 found that successful side hustlers were earning on an average of $2,038 per month by investing just 19.5 hours per month of ongoing time. That's over $104 earned per hour, nearly 3x the US national average wage. But here is the stat that matters even more. 72% of Americans are now pushing secondary income streams, yet only 12% earn meaningful passive income above $500 per month. Now this I talked about the US. The situation is even worse in India. Now this gap between 72% and 12% is not effort, it's strategy and patience. So with that framing, let's get into our 6 ideas. So your first idea is Amazon KDP, which is self-publishing with the help of AI. Now this Amazon KDP stands for Kindle Direct Publishing. It lets anyone publish the book, whether it is physical or digital, and sell it through the world's largest bookstore. You keep up to 70% royalty on every sale. Amazon handles the storefront, payment, and delivery. Talking about the market size, in December 2025 alone, Amazon paid out $64.9 million to KDP authors through Kindle Unlimited. The KDP Select Global Fund on January 2026 was $62.2 million. So this is the real money which is being distributed to real authors every single month. Now what all things you can publish? Of course, one thing, it is totally dependent on your interest areas. But apart from that, if I had to give you certain ideas, it could be non-fiction guides in specific niches, be it productivity, parenting, career, finance, or it could be low-content books like journals, planners, coloring books, puzzle books. These are all very beginner-friendly. Then you can look for some fiction series in popular genres, or it could be AI-assisted research books on niche topics. For understanding the real earning breakdown, please check on your screen. I would suggest just pause the video and have a look properly. Now with AI in 2026, KDP has changed dramatically. You can use AI to make your work even better. So you can use ChatGPT or Claude to help with research, outline, and first draft, Canva to design professional book covers for free, Atticus or Vellum for book formatting, Publisher Rocket for keyword and niche research. Now if you're someone who's thinking of starting this, one important warning is Amazon's quality guidelines in 2026 actively penalizes obvious AI generated content without human expertise added. So do not publish raw AI output. Use AI for your research and drafting assistant. Then you can add your own knowledge, voice, and do editing before publishing it. Now here is a step-by-step way to get started. You can check it on your screen. Next idea is going to be building a monetized newsletter. So emails are not dead in 2026. It is one of the highest ROI channels for creator economy. 44% of US small businesses cited emails as their most effective marketing channel in 2025, nearly double the number from the previous year. And social media creator revenue are projected to increase 16.2% in 2026 to $21.1 billion, with newsletters being one of the fastest growing segments. And one platform here to know is going to be Beehiiv. Beehiiv is now paying out over $1 million per month to newsletter creators through its ad network, and it takes 0% commission on creator earning. You can compare it with Substack, which takes 10% on every dollar you earn from subscriptions forever. And let me give you an example of a real creator with 8 months on Beehiiv. One creator tracked by Sites Trackers grew from 3,200 to 8,400 subscribers and earned $6,652 through Beehiiv's monetization tools, including $847 per month average from the ad network alone. Now, how newsletters make money? There are multiple streams you can check on your screen. So creators on Beehiiv who use multiple monetization streams earn 3 times more compared to the ones who are dependent on the single source. Now, how you can step by step start? You can check on your screen, pause the video and look at it properly. And yes, don't worry at all. I will provide all these details in the description as well. If I talk about the timeline, so most focused newsletter builders hit 1,000 subscribers in 3 to 6 months and start earning from first ad revenue around that point only. So that means if you are planning to publish your monetized newsletter, you have to give yourself a timeline of 6 to 8 months consistently. Next idea is AI voice licensing. Now this is one of the newest passive income models in 2026, and I'm sure most of you have not even heard about it. The concept is you record a high quality sample of your voice, you upload it on 11 Labs and list it in their voice library. Every time another creator uses your AI voice clone to generate audio content, you earn a royalty. That's it. Talking about the platform scale, so 11 Lab is valued $11 billion as of February 2026, backed by Sequoia and Nvidia with over $330 million in annual recurring revenue. The platform has already paid over $11 million to voice creators through its voice library. Now you must be thinking, who are buying all these voices? So YouTube creators making faceless channels, companies producing corporate training videos, audiobook publishers, podcast producers, game developers and advertisers all are buying these licensed voices instead of hiring voice actors. So the demand is massive and the supply of truly high quality voices is very limited. Now what are the earnings that you can expect? So the payout rate is approximately $0.03 per 1,000 characters generated with your voice, and voices that gain visibility and usage can set their custom rates. And it is a lot more usage based, not a fixed amount that you're going to earn. The more your voice is getting used by the creators, the more you can earn. Now how you can get started step by step, you can check on your screen, pause the video and have a look properly. So think of it like this, your voice works whether you are online or not. This is a true passive income. And one thing you have to be clear about is your earning will grow once your voice starts getting visibility and people are actually using it. So think of it like a long-term compounding asset, not something in which you're going to earn immediately. Next idea is niche website building and flipping. Now most people know about website building, but they are not very much aware about flipping. So the phase one could be passive income while you hold the site. A niche website is a focused content site built around a specific niche. Now you write helpful articles, rank on Google and earn through a combination of display ads and affiliate links. A single well-built niche site can realistically earn $500 to $5,000 per month once it has traction. So a site earning $1,000 per month can sell to $30,000 to $40,000. A site earning $3,000 per month can sell up to $90,000 to $1,20,000. So you can build an asset once, earn from it months or years, and then sell it for a lump sum. Now speaking of AI, niche website or web app building has become super easy. A few years back, it was very intimidating for beginners. You needed to buy domains separately, figure out hosting, install WordPress, choose themes, configure plugins, fix random technical issues. And for most people, that's exactly where they quit before even getting started. But today, AI has changed that completely. Recently, I've been testing Hostinger Horizon and I found it very interesting that now instead of learning coding or website development, you can simply describe in plain English that what do you want in the website and your website will be ready in minutes. That means you're just vibe coding and you'll get your website or web app in minutes. Let me show that to you and let's do it together. You can go on your browser and simply search for Hostinger Horizons. You'll be able to get the website. Now once you open, you'll see different plans available. Hostinger currently offers 4 Horizon plans: Explorer, Starter, Hobbyist and Hustler. And the main difference is the monthly AI credits limit. So you can analyze and choose the plan that works best for you. In the video, I'm going ahead with the most popular plan. Now you can get started. You can simply create your account and enter the dashboard. Now this is where it gets interesting. Instead of coding, you simply have to describe what do you want to build. So you remember we were talking about passive income through niche website in this video. Let's build one here. So I'm simply going to type create a modern website focused on passive income ideas for beginners. The website should have a home page with strong hero section, a blog section, a resource page, an email newsletter sign up section, a tool and recommendation page, a contact page. The design should be modern, trustworthy, mobile friendly, and optimized for content publishing. See, with prompting, the best thing is the better you describe, the better you're going to get the output. Now after this, simply hit the enter button and watch what happens. You can see I'm literally not touching any code. I'm not writing any code, and I'm not literally doing anything. Now the AI is generating entire structure for me. Now you can see it's creating homepage, navigation menu, content sections, newsletter area, resource section, everything automatically. And the best part, this takes just a few minutes. Now you can see that the website is ready. Now let's make it more realistic, because when you're prompting, you're not going to get the best result in the first go. So this is where refinement comes in. Let's make some changes. Now here I will type in add a section called top passive income resources and create professional cards for each resource. Then you have to hit the enter button. Now your website is getting updated automatically. Next, you can also add a newsletter section with the headline, join 10,000 plus readers learning how to build additional income streams. Update, and this is done. Next, you can create a featured blog section showing the latest passive income articles. Update, and this is done. You can add a professional about section explaining that the website helps people learn practical ways to build additional income streams. Again, done. Now this actually looks like a real business website. Now this is where most people start realizing what's possible, because previously creating something like this would require you to hire a developer, or you yourself spend hours in learning coding and website development. And here you're simply having a conversation with AI. Let's quickly make one more refinement. Improve the homepage design and make it look premium, modern, and suitable for a content business. Now hit the enter button. Now you'll see the design getting updated automatically. Suppose I also want to start collecting emails. I can simply type add an email capture form connected to my newsletter section. Now you want any affiliate recommendations, you can type add a recommended tool section with affiliate friendly layout. Done. You want a digital product section, simply type add a section to sell downloadable guides and templates. Done. Everything happens through prompt, no coding, no development experience, no technical setup. Now once you're happy with your website, publishing it is super simple. You can simply click on publish button and you will get a live website URL. This website is mobile responsive, SSL is already included, hosting is already included, and you can connect your own custom domain directly inside Hostinger. So instead of managing multiple tools separately, everything is available at one place. Traffic and content are something that is going to ultimately make money for you. But if creating the website was something that was stopping you from getting started, AI tools like Hostinger Horizon make this super simple for us. I've given the link of Hostinger Horizon in the description, so go check it out today. And yes, don't forget to use my coupon code to get additional discount. Now I want to give one more stat. The niche website market itself grew by more than 20% in 2025 compared to the previous year, driven by demand from investors who see them as a digital real estate. Now if you want to get into this niche website building and flipping, realistically you are going to take somewhere around 6 months to 12 months to start building actual income. The investors who buy on Flippa are looking for sites with at least 3 to 6 months of consistent revenue history. Next idea is your audiobook publishing with AI narration. Now the global audiobook market is one of the fastest growing segments in publishing, and in 2026 creating an audiobook no longer requires a recording studio or a professional narrator. Talking about the market, Amazon's ACX, which is the audiobook creation exchange, pays royalties up to 40% on audiobook sales. Findaway Voices offer distribution to over 40 platforms including Audible, Spotify, Apple Books, and many more. And talking about the AI narration shift, in 2024 and 2025, Amazon quietly opened ACX to AI narrated audiobooks under specific quality and disclosure guidelines. Authors now produce full-length audiobooks using high-quality AI voices, dramatically cutting production costs. And yes, previously, hiring a professional narrator costs somewhere around $150 to $400 per finished hour. A 6-hour audiobook cost you $2,400 before you earned even $1. Today, using 11 Labs or Speechify AI, the same book can be narrated for under $50 in platform costs. Now, how can you stack it up with KDP? If you're already publishing on Amazon KDP, converting your ebook into an audiobook is the simplest way to unlock a second revenue stream from the same content. Same book, different format, different audiences, and additional passive royalties. Now, how you can step by step start, you can check it on your screen. Please pause the video and have a look. Your next idea is selling AI prompts. Now this is the newest passive income category in the last 2 years and it's growing super fast. The idea is very simple. As the AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Midjourney, Sora, all these are becoming mainstream, a lot of people want to use these tools. But the problem is they don't know how to write a proper prompt so that they get great output. So if you can learn how to write proper prompts and generate great outputs from it, you can sell that knowledge. Here are some platforms where prompts are sold. What sells well? So ChatGPT prompt packs for specific professionals like lawyers, teachers, HR managers, startup founders. Midjourney prompt for specific aesthetics like architecture, product photography, portrait styles. Claude prompts for content creators and marketeers. Video generation prompts for Sora and Runway ML. Talking about the realistic pricing, so individual prompt pack typically sell for $5 to $35. Larger niche specific bundles sell for $49 to $149. With consistent uploads and good SEO on platforms like Etsy, early movers in specific niches report $300 to $2,000 per month from prompt sales alone. About the compounding effect, so this combines beautifully with other ideas in this video. If you're building a niche website, a newsletter, or KDP books, you're already developing prompt expertise specific to your niche, package that expertise and you can sell it. Now here is a step-by-step way to get started. So I've given you 6 passive income ideas where you can learn them from in free. You can check that on your screen. Now before I end the video, let me tell something to you very honestly. None of these income sources or income ideas are going to generate income for you in this week itself. And that's the whole point. Every one of these models requires you to build something. A catalog of books, a subscriber list, a content site, a voice asset, a library of prompts. Something that exists independently of your time. And that is the difference between a job and a whole system that you have built. So a job pays you when you are there and this system pays you even when you are not available. And in a market where 1009 people are losing their job every single day, building one extra source of income is not going to be a luxury. It is just a safety net that you're going to create for yourself. So you can pick up any idea that you like. If you want anything in detail, do let me know in the comment section. With this video, if you have any confusion, please do let me know in the comment section. And if you find the video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it to your friends and family and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell notification so that you get notified whenever I post my new video. Thank you so much.